Hey guys,
Roland and Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be discussing some of the custom built machines that we have that are already pre-built, as well as the options that you have of assembling components or coming in and doing it here, or customizing it according to whatever needs you have.
Correct. So pretty much we have a wide selection of low, mid, and high-end computers. And just to start off, we have a basic model with a Ryzen 5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and the 1660 Super. Regular, but it's super clocked. Now, all the machines that you pick, whether it's low, mid, or high-end, you have a 3-year warranty. So
you've got the option of upgrading those components.
Correct.
If you did want to start with this, add more RAM.
You can add more RAM.
Get it better.
Right. So we like to go with something a little bit more robust compared to other companies. For example, we used good enough power supplies, just like Roland said. If you'd like to upgrade in the future, that means you can put a better video card, more RAM, maybe a different processor, a different cooler, whichever the way.
So but going up from the 1400, you can
go
1800.
Yeah.
So what is the big difference there?
So the big difference on this one is going to be the video card. This is a 12 gig video card, and it's the 3060.
So you're going from the 1660 up to the
3060. Now it's not the Ti. This is the 12 gig model, but it does have the new features of ray tracing. Now, if you want to go with a little bit of a higher end, we do have two different models, and then over here we're going to have
the 5950.
The 5950. That's correct. So that has been just assembled. You got 32 gigs of RAM. Windows 10, Wi-Fi, and 6700 XT. That's a 12 gig video card as well. It's from AMD, and it's equivalent to a 3080 or 3070. If you want to go to a higher end model, we do have the i9 build. Now this beast has a 3090 on it.
So that's really high. 3090 i9. The
32
gig
gig
SSD with 32 gigs of RAM.
Correct, and they all have Wi-Fi if you like the colors. This particular one, I went with Lee and Lee cables for the 24 pin, so you got all kinds of features and stuff you can do to it. Now, when Roland was mentioning the beauty of assembling the components, when you're here, stands for if you want to have the experience, that means you can come in the shop, schedule a time with me, and we will sit down in the conference room and build it together. And pretty much you go over all the components, and we have a wide variety. As you can tell, we have Ryzen processors, we have the Intel processors, cooler, video card, and you get for free a mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse with any of the purchases. Now, we do have one pre-built in stock. This is an i7 16 gig with a 2060 Super. Now, this has dual drives, and despite being a pre-built, Lenovo actually has done a really good job. You can actually customize this a little bit for reliability. But if you want the future-proof, you go with the proper, real custom build.
Now, on our website, we'll put the link on the bottom of the video, but you'll be able to see all of the custom computer parts. It'll show you what we have in inventory with the prices, and you can either select all those items, you can bring in some of your own parts, or use the parts from us.
That's correct.
Or just come in and get everything from us in one go.
That's correct. So if you'd like to have the parts as you pick and go, it'll automatically select the compatible parts to it. So if you'd like to have all the parts assembled, we'll have it ready for you guys for pickup, and or ship it within the 48 states.
Yeah, and we've been shipping video cards.
Yeah, video cards all over the place.
Cases.
People from everywhere, guys. Facebook, YouTube, Reddit, all everywhere. But anyway, guys, if you guys are looking for custom builds, we do have those in stock. If you want to assemble it, we do have those in stock. If you have any questions, give us a call back at 281-647-9977.
Thank you.